Simplify your life with meal prep magic, mastering hassle-free healthy eating. Welcome to Meal Prep Magic, the ultimate guide to whipping up hassle-free, healthy meals that will transform your kitchen experience. Let's dive into the magic of meal prep. First off, planning is your secret ingredient. Start by choosing recipes that share common ingredients. This little trick not only saves time, but also minimizes waste. Now let's talk about the power of batch cooking. Cooking in large quantities and dividing it into portions for the week can be a game changer, ensuring you always have something healthy on hand. Invest in quality, airtight containers. They keep your food fresh longer and make it easy to grab and go. Plus, seeing your fridge organized with healthy options is incredibly motivating. Spices are your best friends. They can transform any simple meal into a gourmet experience without adding unnecessary calories. Experiment with different combinations to keep your taste buds excited. Don't forget about snacks. Prepping healthy snacks like chopped veggies or mixed nuts can prevent you from reaching for those less than ideal options when hunger strikes. Make it a family affair. Involve your loved ones in the meal prep process. It's a fun way to spend time together and encourages healthy eating habits for everyone. Remember, flexibility is key. Life can be unpredictable, so if you end up not following your meal plan to the T, don't sweat it. It's all about balance. Lastly, celebrate your success. Each week of successful meal prepping is an achievement. Reward yourself with a little treat, perhaps a meal out to keep the motivation high. Happy prepping! Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and insight.